Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to fix that frustrating "oops, an error occurred" message on ChatGPT. In 2026, this is usually a sign of a stale connection or security conflict. So let's get right into the fixes. First, you should try the most effective solution, signing out and logging back in. Many people just keep refreshing the page, but that doesn't always clear the stale authentication token that's causing the error. Click on your profile picture, select Log Out, and then manually type in your credentials to start a fresh session. This forces the server to issue you a brand new connection token, which solves the oops error in about 90% of cases. Next, you need to check for web protection interference. Modern antivirus software and even some browsers have real-time web shields that can accidentally block the constant stream of data ChatGPT needs to work. If logging out didn't work, try temporarily disabling your antivirus web shield or real-time protection for a minute to see if the error vanishes. If it does, you can simply add chat.openai.com to your software's allow list so it stops interfering with your chats in the future. Then you should try a hard refresh to bypass your browser's saved data. A normal refresh just reloads the page, but a hard refresh clears the temporary scripts that might be stuck. On Windows, hold Control and press F5. On a Mac, hold Command and Shift, then press R. This forces your browser to download the very latest version of the ChatGPT interface directly from the server, bypassing any corrupted files sitting in your local cache. And that is it. One of these steps will definitely get you back to your conversation. If this troubleshooting guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.